What's up, guys? Man, it got stormy last night. I'm talking about bad. I think it was about 10:30 to 12:30, about 3 hours there. Wind was blowing like 60-70 miles an hour, and we had several tornadoes to come through. It blew a bunch of trees down. I'm going to show you some of the damage. Here's some trees that blew down. Right across the road here, right at my house. I mean, I can damn near touch the things. They're not quite to the road, but almost. I can almost touch it. You got limbs in the way here. Man. I don't know. But we heard all kind of crashing last night, and I come out this morning. There's trees down everywhere. I'm going to show them to you. Alright, I know y'all recognize this little strip because I fly up and down through here all the time. Look at that massive tree. It broke off. I mean, right across the darn road. Right my flight path. Broke that other tree over there. Here's a closer up view of it. Just snapped her off right there. This is a massive fucking tree. Oh, let's say massive damn tree. I might have to re-edit that. Snapped her off. I mean, this is a mess, guys. I mean, a freaking mess. I don't want to mess with this shit. Clean this up. Don't even know if I could. I don't think my chainsaw will even fit through some of these trees. They're so damn big. I mean, this shit's massive. Damn, 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 damn. Well, one good thing, it knocked a vine down that was hanging right over there. It was a vine hanging from that tree, and I almost would hit it several times. Now it's gone, but I don't know if I can fly over this crap without crashing, because there's always water right here when it rains. I don't want to crash into water. I don't got no conformal coating. Damn trees. Maybe I can fly over this shit though. I don't know. Let me go show you some more that's down. Alright guys, here's another massive tree. I want you to look. If it had fell that way, it would have took out our house. If it had fell that way, it would have took out our shed, our shop. It did hit that one. I don't think it hurt it, but it fell kind of on the back corner of it. This is a massive tree too, guys. Very massive. Big, long, tall joker. It was that big one, you know, had out here, and it just destroyed it. First time I've ever been able to get on this tree. I'm standing on it. Lordy mercy. Man, you wouldn't believe the sounds this thing made when it came down because it's so close to our house. It sounded like a freaking plane crashed out here. And the ground actually shook. It actually fell pretty much perfect though. I mean, there's a few limbs hit this shed here, but I don't really see no damage to the shed. Nowhere. We've got the tin bent downward a little bit back there. And it's kind of got it cracked right there, but that's, other than that, I don't see any damage. Let me walk around behind it. Right here I'm around behind it. You see it just kind of laid right on that corner there, but it didn't mash it down or anything. And there's the massive tree. And then there's my other shop. So like I say, it kind of fell perfect. It did hit my daddy's fruit tree right there. But I think it was about dead anyway. It didn't seem to be blooming out this year. Took part of them limbs off, but other than that, I've nearly got my drone stuck in this tree a couple of times. I used to have a swing hanging from it. Looks like it took out some other tree right over there. I don't remember what was over there now. But it landed here perfectly because we got this filled full of insulation. Old insulation, and it looks like it didn't take out the shed, so man, we got lucky, guys. Holy crap, we got lucky. Guys, that's one good thing. I mean, it's even worse now because they cut all the timber. Used to, we lived right in the middle of this big wooded area. There was trees all around us, so it blocked a lot of the wind. But now, since they've cut all the trees down, all that's left is this one spot of forest back here behind our house. And all the other three sides have been cut down, as y'all know. And it's just flat. So that wind can whoop through there, sure enough. And like last night, we had 2 or 3 tornadoes come through here. We had straight line winds hitting between 60 and 80 miles an hour. But like I say, we live in the house we live in is rocked with some massive rock. I mean, that's not them fake little thin things. These rocks I'm talking about is like a foot across, thick. Some of them's 2 foot thick. I'm not kidding. I mean, it took 2 people to move some of them stones into place when we was rocking our house. And we did it ourselves. And the house itself was an old band hall that was made back in the 50s. So the wood was, you know how they used to make everything in the old days a lot stronger than they do nowadays. And it was just one big open room with the bathrooms, all it was, because it was a band hall. So all the rooms inside the house we built, but the outer structure and the floor is still the same. And it's got subfloors, humongous thick beams. I'm talking about, that house is sturdy. Plus with all the rock on it, I mean, with the doors closed, even last night, you didn't know much was going on until we opened the doors. I seen a news bulletin run across said that it was a bad storm coming, so I went and opened up the doors, and then you could hear things, and you can hear things through the air conditioner too. But if you just got everything closed up, you can't hardly hear nothing. That's how sturdy everything is. But still, if a tornado went right over the top of it, it'd probably rip the roof off. So I wouldn't want to be there. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. My chainsaws, I got 3 chainsaws, but none of them will fit through them big trees. Even if I cut from both sides, I still don't think the blade would touch in the middle. Probably gonna call light company or somebody for them trees up the road. I don't want to fool with them. So anyway, y'all guys have a great day. It's been raining for the last 2 or 3 days here, so I probably won't make no videos other than this. Supposed to get sunny today, but I doubt it'll dry all the water up. Guys, have a great day.